Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to add chlorine stabilizer. Stabilizer, also known as cyanuric acid, is crucial for maintaining effective sanitation in your pool. Without it, the sun's ultraviolet rays quickly break down chlorine, making it much less effective. Adding stabilizer protects your chlorine, ensuring it works harder and lasts longer to keep your water clean and safe. First, ensure you are using cyanuric acid, the most common and effective stabilizer. Before adding any, test your pool's current cyanuric acid level using a reliable test kit. This step is vital to avoid overstabilization. Once you know your current level, calculate the precise amount of stabilizer needed to reach your desired range, typically between 30 and 50 parts per million. To add granular stabilizer, first dissolve it in a bucket of warm water. This helps prevent clumping and ensures better distribution. Slowly pour the dissolved mixture into your pool's skimmer while the pump is running. Avoid adding it directly to the main pool as it can settle on the bottom. Keep your pump running for at least 24 hours to thoroughly circulate the stabilizer. After adding stabilizer, it's important to avoid backwashing your filter or draining any water for at least 2 days. This allows the stabilizer to fully dissolve and integrate into your pool water. Retest your cyanuric acid levels after several days to confirm they are within the optimal range. Aim to maintain your CYA between 30 and 50 parts per million for effective chlorine protection.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.